Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to design this banking script. You don't need to be a professional. You don't need to have a coding skill. All you have to do is just get the scripts and get your domain and hosting and follow my steps, and you already have your online banking for you working perfectly well. So follow me guys, let me show you how I do this. So on my previous video I showed you guys how to fund your Namecheap account, then buy domain and hosting. So today I'm going to skip those sites, proceed to the design part of it. So I'm going to open up my cPanel. It's loading. So when it opens, I have to open some pages that I'm going to be working on. So I like to open them all so that I can work on the pages one by one. So I'm opening to activate my SSL. I'm going to open my file manager where I'm going to upload my file documents. I'm going to open the email where I'll create my email account, and also the PHP admin where I'll be creating my database and all. And also the last one is to create a subdomain and then probably PHP version. We'll have to select the PHP version we are going to be using. So now let's get on with it. So now I want to upload my banking script file. So when you get the script, this is how it's going to look like, the zip file and the file. So let's start with uploading the file. Alright, while it's loading, we have to create an email. I've already created an email, so I'll still show you how to create an email. Alright, so this is it. I have to create another email. Alright, so time to create our database and upload our file. We have to create a new database, then add user, then give it privileges. So now we have our database file and edit the necessary places. Alright, so we are going to extract our files that I've already uploaded. Alright, so we'll now move it to the folder where it should be. Okay, that is it. So we're going to actually edit the files. These files are the files that are going to make them work properly. So the config.php file and the user class.php file. So here you have to change your database, the one you already created. I know. Alright, change your website so to the bank name you want to use. Self-explanatory, so you could just read through and change your details. Alright, so what I'll do now is I just want to make changes. Alright, so I want just to make it easy, just locate and change all. That's what I'm trying to do. So now we'll have to go back to the admin folder and edit it to the admin class. Alright, so hope you guys are following me all for here. So now we're going to check our design, probably to log in the admin and the user interface. Let's see what it is like. Alright, that's the admin. Alright, let's create a user. So I'll be creating a user. Just fill your data and that's all. You click on create password, create user. Let's go check it out. Let's check our user interface and see how it looks like. First of all, we're going to log in. Let's get our details first, the account number and all. So when I created an account, I received an email from the bank saying you've already created an account, and in the account email you'll see your full name, account number, your balance, account type and password, and also account pin all together. So now let's log in our user and see what it looks like. Alright, so when we are logging in our user, you can see here that my profile is not showing, right? Okay, you see that my profile is not showing, so we have to upload a profile pics. Alright, so you go back to the admin and go to the account user and upload your picture and below that. So then you come back to your user to make a transfer to see how it works. Okay, so after filling your details, we'll go back to our email to collect the OTP pin. Alright, so we'll go back to our email, the email you use in creating the account. Okay, here is it. So you copy the email, you copy the code and complete your transaction. So after making a transaction, if you go check it out, you will see it's on in progress. So you have to go back to you have to approve it or decline it or hold it or cancel it. So it says in progress. So let's go back to our domain. All right, so let's go to all transactions. Let's go to the message transactions. Then you see your own there, the first one. Then click on view. Then now decide what you want to do on it. Is either you want to complete it or hold it or decline it or delete it. So we are going to accept it. All right, transaction approved. Okay, reload. All right, you can see. All right, that will be all for this tutorial.